Okay, so this one I am using Basil cardstock. Excuse me, sorry. The floral photo mat is Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson. The black and white floral is Crepe Paper Good Vibes from the January kit. The aqua layer is just scrap from my stash. Oops. Oh, you brought me your ball, good girl. Sorry, Patton, I gotta reach it. Good girl. Give it here, give it here, give it here, give it here. Ah. Oh, the cat is visiting me. Bring me your ball, Coco. Alright, so I'm adding some die cut layers from Pink Brush Studio Let Your Heart Decide ephemera pack. And I think I end up having to leave. He lays on my layout, so I end up having to stop the video, wait for him to leave, and then I come back. As he was being a pain. Did you give me your ball? Hey, you, no ball? Anyway. Okay, so minus the cat now. Here we go. And these pictures are just Jada being Jada. And the wood buttons are Pink Fresh Studio BU. And then the wood veneer is Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide. And story I get from the die cuts. And so I add the word my, so it's my story, which from Hip Kit Club exclusive alphabet stickers. Alright, so there's the story, which is wood veneer. Story is the wood veneer. And then I got the word my, which those aren't. Hold on a minute. Let me look through them. Let me see quick, because I don't think those are they? I have those down as being, to find them through all my stickers here. Oh, where are they? Oh, right here. Oh yeah, I guess those are Hip Kit exclusives. I didn't think they were. Oops. Oh yeah, I guess they are Hip Kit. Okay. I wasn't thinking they were. I thought, well, maybe I wrote that down wrong, but they are. And then I'm going to use those heart sequins that came in. I want to say they came in that ephemera pack. And then that pretty much completes the layout when I finish putting those down. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.